2, 3, and 5? Who can answer? It means, sulit nagbasa ko ba? Kanino? Na siya nakita sa 2, 3, and 5. Na nakita siya sa 3 and 5. Klaro na yun.
Fire.
Yar. Pagkauli nila, ito ang mga mananak ng pagkauli nila. And in verse 2, chapter 2, they are what? Okay, you'll understand that they are the armies of a great and strong nation. Nanggawas ang mga locos. What does this locos mean? Okay, si Judge na ito ng utana, Sister Dulcino. Ganun na ganun mo yung mga beast. Don't worry, Judge. Delete ito, Jay. Si Jay. Delete mo wala ka, kaya ganun man. Ay, delete siya, literal na mga grabe kayo, mga nipon daw, sama sa nipon sa liyon, ang mga apar-apar, mga beast, ang gawas na puno ka buhok. They are not literal, they are symbol of. Ang logos, symbol of great army. Okay? Well, this is just sample. That in the book of Revelation is how we study. No? That there are symbols there that we can find the meaning in other books of the Bible. Okay? Now, this is an appeal. What will be the fate of any who add to the things of Revelation? Ang ato karon gihatagan na guidelines or principles studying the book of Revelation and what we should do and what we should not do. Okay? Now, kung atong dungagan ang isulat niya sa libros pinadaya, unsa man ang iyang kapalaran. Kapalaran Bisaya pa. Okay, unsa man maanaa kaniya? Revelation chapter 22 verse 18. Okay, enlighten this one. Revelation chapter 22, the last chapter of